Welcome back to the garden. So I'm going to give you some reasons today as to why you should definitely get a greenhouse if you're thinking about it. And they don't cost thousands of pounds. There's some out there free of charge if you just want to look for it. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Let's talk a little bit about greenhouses. So I should start by saying this was my wife's granddad's greenhouse and it cost me absolutely nothing to pick up. Now, I'd wanted a greenhouse pretty much all my life and it does live up to the hype. Being in your own greenhouse, I can't really describe how that feels. Now, it isn't quite finished because me being me, I've almost finished it and then I've moved on to the next project, right? But there's lots of forums and things like that on Facebook, or even free ads in the paper. So there's a lot of greenhouses out there which is free to collect. Now, yes, I appreciate that maybe you can't fit it in your car, but there is hire companies and things like that out there. So the price of greenhouses now, just like anything else, are quite extortionate, right? But I promise you, there's so many people taking greenhouses down and asking people to come and collect them, because let's be honest, they're going to the skip, aren't they? So you might as well have almost a dream greenhouse for you for the fraction of the cost of what it's going to cost you to actually perhaps pay someone to pick it up, or ask a family member who's got a van or something like that. Just thinking out the box that little bit. Like I said, mine has cost me absolutely nothing. So positioning wise, I always knew where I wanted my greenhouse in the garden. I've got a south facing garden. Now what that means for me is I could pretty much put it anywhere in my garden and it would do well. So all you've got to do is really study your garden, see what gets most of the sun but not all of the sun, just so you can figure out the best place that you guys are going to. Now let's talk actually physically putting the greenhouse in. So you don't actually need to sort of dig everything out, put hardcore down and do a load of groundwork, because the frames are just like an aluminium frame, right? So they're not too heavy, but they will need anchoring in at some point. So what I mean by that is you could just simply put slabs on top of an area that you've got and pack it down just a little bit just by treading on it. And if it sinks a little bit when you move, then you may need to put a little bit more soil underneath, but you certainly don't need to go to town to back-breaking labor, right, and put loads of hardcore and things like that. As long as you are reasonably level, and that's all I was reasonably level. I didn't get a spirit level on it, and then you can think about actually adding the frame. So I'll be honest with you, it's a bit of a labour of love. So if you do want a free greenhouse and you're going to collect one, then you're going to need a good couple of days and another pair of hands with you. I did mine on my own. It took me a full day to dismantle it. I actually had a friend with a van bring it up, which was another couple of hours. And then I chipped away at it then. So what I did was I put a few panes in at a time. And like I've said, I've got a couple of panes of glass to go, but then it's completely finished. But what that does give you, it will give you your own space to grow them plants that you've always wanted to. Now, another thing is, and this is a really good one, so if you love gardening and you're not a fair weathered gardener, but you sort of think, well, when it's pouring down, you'll spend it inside, right? That's what I said to my wife. When it's raining, I'll come and do the house jobs. But now I've given myself a space where if it's bucketing it down, I can go outside still and not get wet. I can just potter around in my greenhouse. Yes, it gives you more jobs to do, but I can't tell you the reward or how it feels to be within your own greenhouse in your own space. Now, even these old greenhouses, you can buy upgrades to where it opens and closes is the actual hatch on a sunny day. So I do appreciate newer greenhouses will have that for you, so it'll automatically open on a hot day and then automatically close if it starts raining or it drops cold. This obviously isn't going to do that for you, but it's for free. And let's be honest, what's for free in this day and age now, right? I mean, it cost me a fraction of the price it cost me for a new one, and I think that is what gardening is all about. So if you enjoyed this rambling video, then A, I do apologize, but B, can you drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. But until next time, we'll see you in the garden. You take care, guys.